How to delete your Pinterest account. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can delete our Pinterest accounts, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically delete our Pinterest account, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Pinterest app. Then tap on the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Then after that, tap on your profile icon again from the top left of the screen here. Once you're here in the Your Account page, here you want to simply go to Account Management. When you go to Account Management, there you'll find an option that says Delete Your Data and Account. So tap on Delete Your Data and Account. All you have to do is tap on Continue, select your reason, and then send the confirmation email. Verify the link in the email, and your Pinterest account will get successfully deleted. This way you can go ahead and then delete your Pinterest account. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.